Coach Matt Pippin here from Pippin Performance, and welcome to the Fit Project, your weekly workouts designed to help you be strong, be mobile. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel below so you get the latest workouts as they're posted. Today's workout is a quick upper body circuit using a kettlebell to challenge the body in a completely different way. The kettlebell weight distribution will really change how all of these common exercises feel. We're going to go through everything for 2 rounds, so your upper body should be smoked by the end. The only equipment you will need is 1 set of light kettlebells and 1 set of medium kettlebells. Alright guys, let's get to work. Today's workout includes infinity hovers, bend over alternating rows, alternating bottoms up presses, hammer curls, and skull crushers. Alright guys, let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to prep our upper body doing what we call infinity hovers. And if you're familiar with shoulder cars, this is going to look very, very similar to that. We just tend to add a little bit of a elbow hinge to it. So we're first going to start with our left hand behind our head, our right hand on our lower back. We're going to get our spine nice and tall. If you can do this in the tall kneeling position, it's going to prevent you from swaying as much. So I say give it a go this way first. First, start out by driving your elbows backwards. Rotate your hands off your back and your upper head. You're going to extend your elbows, and you're going to slowly start to switch arm positions. The arm that's going up is externally rotating. The arm going down is internally rotating. Once I've maxed out my range, I'm going to simply bend my elbows and rest my hands down. Rotate the hands off, extend at the elbows, start to switch directions. Arm going down is internally rotating, arms coming up is externally rotating. Hinge and push down. That's 1 rep, guys. We went both ways. Now we're going to do 4 more. Elbows back, hands off, extend, nice and smooth, rotating through, bend, and rest. Rotate off, extend, down, 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 bend, and rest. Back up, extend, rotate, 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 bend, down, lift off, extend, rotate, rotate, rotate. Good. Down. 2 more, guys. Rotate off, extend. This is going to feel very different after we go through and blow our upper body up for 1 quick round, so enjoy this while it lasts. Come back down, bend, and down. Last one, guys. Rotate off, extend at the elbows, rotate, smooth, 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 bend, rest, lift off, extend, slow, slow, and smooth, and relax. All right, guys, shoulders should be nice and prepped, so let's get to work. So the first thing we're going to start out with is bent over alternating rows. So I'm going to hinge down. These kettlebells are only 17 pounds. It sounds like it's going to be way too light. Trust me, it doesn't take a lot of load when doing this. So we're going to get to that good hinge position. Hips back, abs are braced. I'm going to take my index finger off for our gun grip. Just challenges the grip a little bit more. And I'm going to alternate rows, starting with my right, then go to the left. We're going to do 10 each. Begin. Right up, down, left, down. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. 5 halfway. 6. Just drive those elbows up. 6, 7, 7. Try to keep your body still. You're going to want to rotate a whole bunch here. Try not to. Last one each side. 10. And 10. Hinge up properly. So now we're going to get into a bottoms up press. So I'm going to pull these kettlebells up. I'm going to stand to the side so you guys can see this. Now, holding the kettlebell like this completely changes things. This is not like a typical shoulder press. So once again, we're going to alternate for 10. Drive the left, down. Trust me, you do not need a heavy kettlebell to make this effective. 2, 3, 3, 4. Try not to lean your torso back. 4, 5, 5. You can almost envision like you have a shoe resting on the top of one of these guys. It's going to help kind of balance you out a little bit more. Good. 8. 8. Nice and controlled. 2 more each side. 9. 9. 1 more. 10. And 10. Take it down nice and smooth. You guys should already feel your shoulders and your grip a little bit. All right, now we're gonna get into hammer curls. So I'm gonna take those lighter kettlebells. This is completely different, trust me. You're gonna hold just out like so. These are extremely light kettlebells, they're like 13 pounds, but trust me, you're gonna feel a difference here. This time we're gonna go both sides at the same time for a hammer curl. Come straight up, pause, down nice and smooth. We're just gonna do 10 again. Trust me, if you've never done this before, this will completely change your outlook on kettlebells. Not only are they good for swinging and stuff like that, but they just change the way the weight distribution is. Just gives my body a different stimulus to handle. Good, 4 more. Good, 2 more. Good, 1 more. And relax. All right, guys, we're gonna get on our backs. We're gonna assume the same grip, and we're gonna do skull crushers. Now, be careful, because this is a completely different grip. Don't drop this on your face, hence why they call them skull crushers. So please don't be a casualty. So we're gonna start our back. Get our elbows directly over our shoulders, and we're gonna slowly drop down and right back up for 10. Try to keep your elbows perfectly still. 2, 3, 4, 5. Trust me, this is very difficult, I assure you. 6, 7. If your grip has always been kind of a limiting factor, this is kind of a great way to challenge it. 2 more. Good, 1 more. And bring it on down and relax. All right, guys, we're gonna go through all that one more time. Let's start back with those infinity hovers. Trust me, you're gonna need a little grip rest right now. It's a good thing. All right, start with your left hand behind your head, right hand behind your lower back. Get really tall, squeeze those glutes. Rotate off, extend, really smooth, come through, bend, rest. Rotate off, extend, come all the way through, getting that good rotation, bend, and rest. That's 1. 4 more, guys. Rotate off, extend, swoop all the way up and over, down, rotate off, extend, good, all the way through, bend, and rest. That's 2. 3 more, guys. Rotate off, extend, swooping, 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 down, rotate off, extend, all the way through. Good, 2 more, guys. Extend off, good, rotate, 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 bend, rotate off, good, bend it, down. 1 more, guys. Rotate off, real smooth, really focus on that rotation, good, hinge, rotate off, extend, all the way through, and relax. All right, guys, let's get back to those rows. So grab the slightly heavier kettlebells, get a good grip. Once again, we're gonna do alternating 10 reps. Get in that good hinge position. Go gun grip if your grip can handle it right now. And let's go. Right, left, and that's 1. Once again, try not to rotate too much. Keep everything nice and still. 5. 5 more, guys. 6, 6, 7, 7. 3 more each side. 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. Hinge all the way up. All right, guys, back to that alternating bottoms up press. This time we're going to face forward. Kick them up. See how my elbows are directly underneath my hands? You're going to want to get out wide. Try not to do that. Try to keep that elbow directly underneath. And let's get 10 alternating, right? And down. The closer you keep your elbows together, the more you're going to feel your shoulder getting lit up. 5, 5, halfway home, guys. Get tight. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 1 more, 10, and 10. Whew, my grip is smoked. All right, guys, now we're gonna get into the hammer curls. Get that grip. Thank God we got lighter kettlebells for this. Get nice and tight, elbows by your side, try not to rock at all. You're just hinging at your elbow. Let's get 10 together. Up, 1, nice and smooth. 2, 3. It's the heaviest 13-pound curls you'll ever do in your entire life, I assure you. 4, 5. It just changes the way everything feels when that weight starts to get further and further away from your hand. 4 more. Good. 3, 2. Trust me, it always helps to look at your bicep when you're ever doing a curl. Good. Last one. And down. All right, guys, put those guys down. Let's get on our back, and now we're going to finish up those skull crushers. Grab the kettlebells. Press those guys up. So remember, try to keep your elbows perfectly still. Let's get 10 together. Down and press right back up. 3, 4. Halfway home, guys. Keep those elbows still. They're going to want to rock back and forth. Try to keep them directly underneath or overhead of your shoulders. 3 more. 2. Last one, all the way down. Good pause, and all the way up and down. Should have called this a grip workout because that thing is smoke. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Like I said, it doesn't take a lot of time to get these quickie workouts in. This is a quick upper body. My upper body's nice and smoked, a little out of breath, and my grip is definitely blown up. We'll see you guys next time. And as remember, be strong, be mobile.